Hello beautiful people, I hope you're doing well and welcome back again to our channel. For people that don't know, my name is Anas, I'm working for you. If you have any questions in video request, make sure to drop them below in a comment. I will be happy to make a video for you. And for people that do know, welcome back. And you already know, if you have any questions as well, make sure to drop them below in a comment. I will be happy to make a video for you too. Same as like over 100 videos I made on Shopify customization. Most of them, not all of them to be honest, but most of them are requests from subscribers, and sometimes some people not even subscribers, but I'm fine with that. Just a like button will help me out and I will appreciate it. And wait actually until you see if this trick helped you out, then hit that like button. If not, it's fine, don't hit this like button. Never do that. Never do that. In this video I will show you how to hide the sort by options on collection page for your Shopify store, and we will do that without using any apps or anything like that, by using a very short code that will do the trick. And this trick is a request again from subscriber. I think he is, or I hope so. So let's just quit talking and show you how to hide the sort by options on collection page for your Shopify. And if you don't want to do this, make sure you do it, because if you have like not too many products, it's better if you do it. It looks much better and unique. Unique when your Shopify store or e-commerce store in general is unique, it stands out from the crowds. And that's what my channel is for, to make your Shopify store completely unique without using any apps. And if you are wondering why is that, because apps can slow down your Shopify store, but using like one line of code will not slow down the Shopify store. So again, for the second time, let's just quit talking and show you how to hide or remove the sort by options from the collection page on Shopify store. As you can see, I'm accessing Shopify dashboard now. And if you see here, I have down theme, the last version 15 as of now. And I have every other theme available here, as you can see. I mean the free ones. Taste, Sense, Refresh, Spotlight, and Trade. And I do the trick on each one of them. Each trick I share, I try it on one of these themes. Because most of the people, they use these themes either down or one of the free ones. So people will know that this trick will actually work on the Shopify theme. And even if it didn't, drop me a comment, I will be happy to help you out. So the first thing you're going to do in order to do the trick is, let me show you actually one collection page so you can see the sort by options. Here it is. It says sort by best selling. And by the way, if you are interested in removing just the best selling option, make sure to check out the channel. I already made that video and it's already posted. So we want to remove all these options, not just best selling, but I want to remove all of this. No worries. In this video, I will show you how to do that. So let's just keep this open. We do the trick, come back and see it. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously access Shopify dashboard, then click on the three dots for left of customize for your Shopify theme you are using, and click on edit code. It will take you to the code editor, and simply use the search bar in here and type in theme.liquid like this, and you will see file called theme.liquid. Simply click on it and a bunch of code will show up, no worries. Click on the code just like you want to write something. Then if you are on Mac, if you are Windows, most people use Windows, click on Control F. If you are on Mac like me, click on Command F, and it will show you this prompt right here at the bottom where you can search for something on the code. So simply type in / or /, not sure the difference. Then type in head like this and no space between them. And then hit enter and it will highlight it on the code in here. That's exactly what we need. So let me close this. Then after that, we need to create some space between script and head. In order to do that, simply click on front of script and hit enter. And then it's completely fresh new line, right? That's what I need, because we're going to pass the code in here. And in order to get the code can be really complicated and hire developer and stuff. It will take a lot of time and money, but this is on our channel. And this is my job to do that. I do provide the code for people for free. Simply scroll down the description box and you will see a link named as code. And simply click on it and it will take you to this page right here with a very short code. Can do the magic trick. And this code is completely free. No share please, no pay please, nothing like that. Just a like button if this video helped you out. So let's just right click and copy. Make sure you select the whole code. If you skip just this, it will not work. Make sure you select the whole code like this, then right click and copy, and simply paste it like this in the space we did create above /head. Here we go, like this. Then click on the save button And if we get back in here, reload the page, this option should be gone, and it is gone, as you can see. So no more sort by in here, as you can see. And that's how you hide the sort by options on the collection page for a Shopify store. Completely easy and completely free. If you have any questions, drop them below. I will be happy to help you all. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.